Hello, everybody.
Podcast?
Yeah, welcome to the first episode of PurpleBrick, the PurpleBrick podcast.
Today we're focusing on sandwiches.
Sandwich. Today we're going to be focusing on a popular video game company entitled Blizzard. Blizzard. The date today is a miraculous November 6th, 2014. Hello, everybody. 9:50 on the PMs today. Is that right?
Yes, this is correct.
Is my mic good? Is my mic good?
It's good. It's aight.
I'm gonna be doing some dailies in the worlds of Craft Wars, and my co-host here is gonna be sucking at Hearthstone continuously after did we figure out 9 months of playing? Is that right?
Sometime. I messed up.
What?
Oh no.
What'd you mess up?
Oh no. I messed up.
Alright, well, it's a nice evening.
No, it's not. We have school tomorrow, and school's absolute shit.
I was dying today in school. That's something.
I have religion.
Do you remember?
Fuck no!
What?
Oh, I have to print out something. I'm gonna forget it.
You could. Alright.
I'm not gonna print it out now. I'm too lazy. I'll just write it on my hand.
I'll just write it on my hand.
I'll just write a P.
I'll just write P.
Am I echoing? Hello, buddy.
Hello, everybody. It is Carrot.
Hello, everybody. It is spinach sauce, and today we're gonna figure out.
My name is Spinach Sauce.
What if that was your actual? Like, what if your parents named you spinach sauce?
If your parents named you Spinach Sauce, what would you do? Tell me first what you would do.
I mean, I would probably keep it. Because who wouldn't want their name to be spinach sauce?
I wouldn't want my name to be Spinach Sauce.
Okay, think about it. Spinach sauce.
Well, is it like one name?
There's a hyphen. If there's a hyphen, I would kill myself. If there's not, it's...
Why does the hyphen make it worse?
Various reasons.
Various issues on the matter.
Okay. So there's a problem where killing yourself is a main possibility right now.
What?
We should just do this. We should do videos like this, and you edit it's just a black screen, and then you edit words, and you just edit together funny shit. And you add subtitles.
So this is not gonna be a iTunes podcast.
No, it'll just be a YouTube it's just name it whatthefuckdays.com.
PurpleBrick podcast.
No, PurpleBrick
podcast.
Spanish.
In English, featuring the English language.
This is gonna be an awesome YouTube series.
This is gonna be amazing. The thing is, we probably have 3 hours of just shitcasts. Cause we tried to do one podcast.
PurpleBrick shitcast.
Oh my god, that's genius. The PurpleBrick shitcast.
Parker, you're amazing.
I'm a genius.
And you need to edit subtitles and stuff. But you have to, and you need to have random, if you say, let's say I say I didn't want to kill myself because I have school, just have a knife, and then a school going in the knife.
School gun. I have to do clever animations too.
Parker, if you want to get popular,
Actually, yeah, it doesn't seem like a bad idea. All right, everybody, welcome to PurpleBrick SHITCAST.
I just gotta wrap it. Oh god.
This is episode 1.
The title can be I just gotta wrap it.
Rapid. And it's like whitewater rapids. It is. I already said the date.
For the subtitles, like my speaking can be like blue and yours can be like purple or something.
Why would they both be like the same color?
No, they're different colors. So you can
Well, I get that blue and purple are different colors, but aren't they like the same on the frequency modulator?
Then I'll do red. You be blue or otherwise.
We could do. All right, I'm down with that.
You're down with that, Ups? Oh, Blizzard! Thank you. Oh, baby, a blizzard.
That's stupid.
I think it was.
Oh, baby, I watched.
Don't even.
Shut up. I rewatched. The PurpleBrick plays The Forest. When I play The Forest, that video was amazing. Like, that should have been front page.
Front page.
When I played The Forest and you were there, I rewatched it and I was like crying. It's probably just because I think I'm a lot funnier than I actually am.
It's probably just because you're dumb. You're dumb.
Alright, now you're being mean when I was trying to tell an anecdote.
Oh, thank you, Blizzard.
Antidote. The antidote to the potion.
Parker. This is gonna be the best video ever. Answered on editing.
I feel like we're gonna make a shit ton of these because they're pretty easy to make, and then.
Well, no, they're easy to record, hard to make.
We're gonna edit. It's gonna take me like a week.
It's gonna take a couple years.
A couple yards.
That's true.
Hey, I didn't
like yards of yarn, like yarn.
Yarn in the barn.
Barn yarn.
Don't say things that would be too complicated to animate.
My name is.
I'm too lazy.
Well, you don't have to do everything. You can just edit it down to like a 4-minute video.
I don't think that's nice.
Oh, what value? I just wasted 3 mana to kill 1/1. Hello. Oh, these people probably don't know what that means. Well, you don't need to know, so it's fine.
Blinktron 4000 gift partridge paper.
Partridge paper.
Partridge paper.
That's kind of funny.
That's pretty funny. If you
That's gold. I know what you're just trying to say, like partridge paper. Is that what it's called?
Yeah, partridge paper.
Partridge. Yeah, sure. It's like called a cartridge.
I think it's partridge.
I have no clue what it's called.
Jesus Christ.
Custard paper.
Jesus custard paper.
Hello.
Jesus custard paper. I'm really cold right now.
Yeah, it is pretty. Oh, do I lose?
It's sad because it's like I'm cold, but it's also sad because I'm. Yes.
Do I lose now? 6, 8.
Are you running raid night tonight with me and Cold Hamilton?
Cold Hamilton. Yeah, we are, Mr. Cold Turkey.
Cold Hamilton.
Hashtag Renai. Are we actually gonna do a hashtag Renai or?
Well, I don't know. I'm gonna check if that's a thing before we get sued for copyright infringement.
Well, we're gonna get like 2 views. Oh, I can't wait till BlizzCon, because then the new packs are gonna get announced.
Oh, that's probably what it is.
If Blizzard isn't gay, they will. But no one Blizzard, you know.
What? You've probably dedicated 2014 to one Blizzard game, and you're saying to me...
No one Blizzard.
You're saying to me... Why did somebody just say MILF Pounder in the general chat?
General chat?
Alright, I'm gonna go tell a story.
Once upon a time, there was a guy named Frederick. He ate pickle in.
JP just told me he's a good tank.
Nah.
That's Psy. That Psy says it all, ladies and gentlefish.
Gentle fish. I can just picture him like being like, "Hello, buddy, I'm here." He's like he's like a
Hello, everybody. I'm here.
he's like a mage, and he's like, "Yep, I'm a tank here."
He's running Warlock DPS without Voidwalker.
Oh, Voidwalker is a thing.
Oh god. Alright, let me explain to the viewer. Anybody who's not Blizzard has probably already left, if anybody's here.
Anybody who's not Blizzard.
I'm talking.
Hello.
Hi.
Hi.
Look at item.
So what were you trying to say here?
I don't know, you got me all confuzzled now.
Oh.
And got it. What's the fucking word? Anticotit? Anticotit?
Oh,
Isn't it like antidote?
Oh my god. This is pickle right now. Undertaker or Thought Seal? Undertaker or Thought Seal?
I don't know, stop yelling. Alright, well, anyway, back in the late 2013, I'm gonna go with December. I'm having a chat with Victor and another guildie. Never mind, he doesn't play any Blizzard games. I'm telling a story for the shitcast.
For the shit gang.
We're talking about a new game. I'm gonna try to tell this for anybody who doesn't even play Blizzard games. There's this game called Hearthstone. You may have heard about it because they fucking advertise everywhere. Oh, sorry for swearing. It's
part of the title's called shit.
Yeah, true.
Shitcast.
Can I tell a friggin' story?
Tell it. Go ahead.
Can I tell a story?
Go ahead.
Alright.
Wait, there's a scroll
Can I
key
tell
on
the
my
story?
There's a scroll key on my key. Hello?
Hello?
When I press the scroll key, it just makes weird boops and beeps.
Alright, shut up. I'm gonna mute you while I tell the story if you don't shut up.
Okay.
Oh, I forgot where I was going with this. Alright, I'm gonna mute you.
Okay, I'm done.
You're not letting me tell the story here.
I told.
It's December 2013, alright?
Hello.
I get an email from a popular company known as Blizzard.
Oh.
Now.
I know who they are.
Now, here's the catch.
Gotcha.
I tell Vitter, I just got accepted into the Hearthstone closed beta. And now, I didn't know that he wanted to participate in such closed beta. This is such a boring story. I don't even know why I'm telling it. Anyway, it all ends up with Vera has been playing Hearthstone religiously for the last 9 months, basically. Actually, last 11 months, because he started playing in January. And, I'm done with the story.
Hello.
Do you want to tell it? Because I seem to not be capable of telling stories right now.
So, I play game. Parker doesn't like me playing game. End story.
I'm actually very dizzy right now because I'm. Woo-wee! There is a reason this is called the SHITCAST, ladies and gentlemen.
You'll understand it.
I'm gonna change my Steam.
Oh my god, this guy. This guy is.
Oh, that's porn. That's porn. Close. Close.
What are you doing there, Par?
I googled. I was trying to find the anime that was on Cole's Google Chrome, and I was gonna send pictures of it to him, but I can't figure out which one it is.
Dude, that was hilarious. I thought that my thing was embarrassing.
Yeah, and he's got anime popping up everywhere.
He's like got like anime.
I'm changing my Steam profile to some anime to make fun of him.
That was fucking hilarious. I knew. Oh, we should have like told him to like change his background to like.
What's a popular anime?
Attack on Titan.
Yeah, but yeah, it's his look more like female based and cutesy anime.
Oh, it was like that type of anime.
I asked him, but he's not responding. I was like, raid night, message the guild leader, please. And then he said, I need a summon. It was a joke. You don't play WoW.
I know what summon means.
Shut up. No, you don't. I said, also, what was your Chrome background before you changed it? And then he didn't answer me. So I'm trying to guess what it was.
Did you literally just switch up Cole's anime picture?
Yeah, I just went to Google. What did Cole's Google Chrome background have?
Okay, for this part of the video, you need to like have like a picture of like Google. You need to have a picture of your Google web page. It says like Cole's thing.
Little anime girl. Oh God. Oh, I feel like I'm. Oh,
Parker, who are you?
I want to. Oh God. Okay.
Just stop. Just stop.
I need a non-sexualized little anime girl profile
Parker,
picture
just
to
stop.
make fun of Cole.
Parker, you're done. We're done here.
Average size. Older. What does that say? Average size of 13-year-old male organ. Average size penis 7-year-old. Average. No, okay. What am I doing? I'm lost. Where's the government? Anime grill.
Anime grill. It's gonna be like a cartoon, like a barbecue grill thing.
Is it? Okay, I kind of want an anime grill.
No, don't.
There's none of them. There's a teddy bear being cooked on a grill.
That's awesome.
That's pretty good, but I don't want to steal that artwork.
Parker's following the law. What?
What did you just say?
Parker Gates following laws.
I'm following the laws?
Yeah, who are you? Are you Parker? Hello,
what do you
Parker.
Mean I'm following the laws?
Because you're like, I don't want to steal his artwork.
Good point. We're on the SHITCAST.
Shit. Well, you can edit. The intro needs to be like SHITCAST.
We should make a. What are those called?
You are now watching the SHITCAST.
You open up Audacity and you're just like. And then you do another.
You are now watching the SHITCAST. You are now watching the SHITCAST, and then it's like a toilet comes and it flushes. Boots and cats.
Oh my god, this is. Oh god.
What happened?
Look at Link sent you.
That's awesome, picker.
SHITCAST links. Why'd I have Putt says this?
No! I'm gonna kill myself.
Check the picture?
Yeah, it's like anime.
You didn't even look, dumbass.
I did. It's a real guy's face copied and
Look
pasted.
at it. It looks like Cole. That's John Goodman.
That's Cole. Put that picture in the video and say Cole.
Yeah, I will, but I won't.
Like whenever you mention
John Goodman.
Whenever you mention Cole, just put that face up there.
Whenever we mention Cole, just get a different picture of John Goodman.
Yeah, get different pictures of John. Man, they good.
What? John Mandigood?
Man,
John Mandigood reporting for Duddy.
Hello.
Did you not like? I put the rolls in my mouth.
Pizza. Well, I was watching that on my iPhone. Not the best YouTube experience in my life.
That's like my favorite video on the Tub of Yubs now.
Tub of Yubs. That's a cool intro.
Hello everybody, welcome to Tub of Yubs.
Tub of Yubs.
I put the rolls in my mouth.
Put the pizza roll.
Pizza rolls. I put the... This is not punk rock.
Yeah, I got so confused.
Totino. Oh, no advertisement. Who other pizza rolls are available?
Pepperoni.
I don't think Pepperoni's a company.
Yeah,
Nope.
that's what.
Copyright taken. Oh, is it a company?
No. That's why I just made it up so we don't get like lobber.
Hello, pepperoni, please.
Pepperoni and cheese.
Cole's girlfriend. Choose file.
I hate my life.
Why?
Okay. I'm hello.
Yay! I'm an anime now.
Okay, is BlizzCon out?
Oops.
Cole's girlfriend, hey. Text him. I type in Blizzard and it comes up with Blizzard Beach.
Fun.
That's how you know you live in Florida.
Fun community there.
That's how you know.
I'm super cold and I'm cold.
Maybe you should fix that.
I don't know how.
Okay, is BlizzCon out? Hello?
Hello? That's tomorrow.
Parker, BlizzCon opening ceremony right now.
BlizzCon, is it?
Oh, BlizzCon kicks off tomorrow. Come hang out in the Communicorn.
You keep the squadron busy. I'm gonna go grab a drink. Be right back.
Parker, I don't know how to do.
Ladies and gentlefish, please be back.
They're gonna leave.
I got.
No! No.
I got it. Drink.
Parker, please. We have audience.
That was disgusting.
Yes.
I got a drink.
Like, repeat.
Alright, so to close off the first shitcast, we're gonna close off with a conspiracy theory.
Goodbye, everybody. Welcome to a new shitcast.
Victor, I was gonna say something.
What's your
check the Tesla speckles?
There's a problem with this. There's nothing.
Now, to close off our first shitcast entitled Blizzard. Did you get my message?
Wow, copy.
We were playing World of Warcraft the other day.
And we've noticed that there's a significant it's kind of like we played the game before already.
We were like, this seems very familiar. And I was like, Mir, does this seem familiar to you? He noticed it too. Now, you probably think to yourself, what game could WoW have copied? Now, I don't know.
Well, we didn't break the ice yet. We think that WoW copied someone. Alright, continue.
We did some research on when these two games were released.
And it turns out the one that WoW copied was released first.
The one that WoW copied was released first. I don't know if anybody here has heard of the internet game. I'm burping a lot, I apologize. Popular internet game, very popular on the internet, called Minecraft.
Now, before you go out and scream and stop yelling, please, right now.
It's a yoke, guys.
No, it's not. It's serious business.
It's a yoke.
In WoW, you can mine micro-repeat.
It's a yoke.
There's no significant circles, micro-repeat.
Thank you, everybody, for listening to thank you, you single person right there. I'm pointing to you.
Yeah, you just put a pointer finger like Mickey Mouse thing. Thank you.
Thank you, because you were probably one of the.
And then now it switches to like the Uncle Sam, like only you can make it. No, Smokey the Bear. Thank you.
Thank you for listening to the first PurpleBrick shitcast entitled Blizzard. Have a nice day.
Please.
Wanna say bye there?
To end off the first shitcast, we're gonna start a ritual. And the ritual is an annual rain dance. Hey yo yo. I'm kidding.
Hey yo yo yo.
We're getting it.
Shitcasters. No wait. All right. Before we end, I know we've tried.
See
to
you
end
around,
like 3
San
times.
Diego.
Shut up. That's copying something. We need to think of a name for the shitcast listeners.
Shitters.
Shitters.
Is that not great?
I think shitters is actually pretty good. Alright. See you later, shitters.
Fuck you and
Okay,
fuck you.
That's
Did we
not
stop?
that good. I haven't
What?
stopped yet. I don't know if we should do Alright, see you, shitters. Fuck you. See you next time.
No, come back. Don't leave us.
Okay, don't leave. We mean that in a nice way. Toodaloo, shitters.